everyone right now is very happy to be a part of the unfolding story of Texas Children's.
This hospital means so much to so many people.
It's one of the premier institutions in the
nation's largest freestanding pediatric hospital.
Its excellence is known far and
It's
wide.
been led by visionary leaders.
Co-founding fathers of Texas Children's, Mr. Jim Abercrombie, Mr. Leopold Meyer,
shared a vision of what it might be one day.
said that they would donate $1 million.
Amazingly generous families of Houston.
Very important and rich history and legacy.
Texas Children's Hospital's ability to deliver care to children has grown dramatically.
They have now grown in their stature.
The #1 departments in their fields in terms of NIH funding.
Graduates include 10 chairs of pediatric departments.
We rank ahead of Johns Hopkins and Yale and University of California, San Francisco and Washington University.
Over 100 deans, associate deans, and section heads at medical schools across the country.
Medical staff, the administrative staff, the nursing staff.
Everyone that I met there was so loving and so kind and so committed to making a difference.
We record more than 2 million patient encounters per year.
The reach of this hospital is enormous.
From every state in the U.S. and from more than 70 other countries around
There are
the
not
world.
very many children's hospitals that have the capacity to do that.
This just doesn't exist anywhere else.
You're in awe of their competence, commitment, and compassion.
We take care of children regardless of their ability to pay.
Regardless of their religion, their ethnicity.
We don't recognize any particular borders or boundaries where the health and well-being of children is concerned. We're committed to a global community of healthy children.
It is not like any other hospital I've ever been.
We're on the cusp of our most exciting era of development.
There'll be opportunities for real progress to take place.
It's not a little contribution. We're talking about serious stuff here.
Everyone immediately lights up and says, wow, I want to be a part of that.
I think it's only the beginning.
I expect this to be one of those milestones which takes the medical center in our community to that next level.
If you believe that the future of this nation depends on the health of our children, there is no more worthy endeavor.
When it's all said and done, at the end of every day, it's about healing sick children.